Hello there, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from artery.com. I don't normally like dies that you have to sort of fit together, but I did one the other day and it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, to be honest, so I thought I would give it another go. This is from Spellbinders, Large Die of the Month Club, December 2023. I'm always behind the times. But it doesn't look too complicated, and I thought I would save time by cutting everything out, which I have done. I'll come to that in a bit. So you take a light background and emboss it. Now this die set is for a 5x7 card, I assume, because that's the only one it would fit. And I don't have many embossing folders actually that are that large, so I just had to choose the one that is that big and do it. I did try using a cover plate die, which is beautiful, but it's too small. It was from Catherine Pooler. It's really pretty. So in the end I just cut down a piece of card. I think it's about ½ an inch shorter, so it'll be 4.5 by 6.5. Let me just check that. Yeah, 4.5 by 6.5, and then I just embossed it. So I cut out all the dies. I think I may have cut out more than I need, but that's okay. I wanted the glasses to be translucent, so I cut them out using Vellum, and then I thought, well, that's not really a good idea because it's going to be really difficult to stick them down because glue shows through on Vellum. So what I did is I got this tape from scrapbook.com. I highlighted this in a previous video, and I cut out some more Vellum using that. So I don't know how that's going to go on because I haven't done this before, so we'll just see. So the back of the die set tells you how to assemble it. So this is for the bottle, this is for the glasses. That's really good. So I'm going to start by assembling the bottle. So the bottle was cut out of a dark brown, I can't remember what you call it. I can't remember if it's from Crafter's Companion. I'll have a look anyway. Well, this is a really nice cafe au lait or something it's called. I'll look that up anyway. But I didn't want black, I just wanted a nice dark brown. I don't know if you can see that there. So I think what we'll do is we assemble from the top down. So this is apparently the cork. So let me have a look. What do you do with that? So that looks as though, I might have to put that on last because that'll have to be stuck down, I think, when the bottle's already on. So I need to look for the parts that I need. So the next part is this, and no, it's not, I'm telling a lie. Where is it? It's there. The next part is that goes on the bottle top. So I'm going to glue that on there. So far so good. And now we have this bit that goes down there. I've tried to follow the colours on the suggestion as far as possible, just makes it easier for me. Yeah, so that's going to go on there and it fits nicely under the bottle lid. Glue seems to be seeping through the little cracks a bit, but never mind, I have some glue remover. I can sort that out at the end, hopefully. Okay, so far so good. Now we need the little bow. That's going to go on the neck like that. I'm not going to do anything fancy like try and put dimension to it on it or anything. I'm just going to see if I can do it first, because I do find these kinds of projects very fiddly, but they are worth it because you do get a really nice effect at the end. Now that has a little, where's my little round thing? Didn't go on too badly. Okay, looking good so far, I think. Oops, that was glue. What was I saying? I shouldn't brag, should I? Right, now this one goes so far down there, I think, because we've got to have room to put that at the bottom. Right, what am I doing? It doesn't go at the bottom, does it? It goes about up there like that. So the bottle perhaps there. It's looking okay so far. I mean, it's never going to be perfect because I get a bit anxious doing stuff like this. Right, and then we have this piece that goes in there like that. These are not all the same brands of cardstock that I've used. I've just had a look through my stash just to see if I had the right colours. And there should be a yellow one. There we go. There, looking nice. I could not for the life of me, that bit there, I couldn't for the life of me see what's going on because it has a yellow piece, a pink smaller piece, and then the writing cut out, and I couldn't figure out how to do that with these dies. So just had to give it a go and do the best I could. Hang on a minute. Oh, because I have a yellow one there. See, ideally the yellow would be larger, but never mind. I'm just gonna have the pink one down there. Should still look okay, hopefully. So that I'm going to put on there. It'll look okay, but it doesn't look like the picture. I've probably done something wrong, knowing me. This is where the reverse tweezers come in handy when you need to dot little bits of glue on like this. Right, that's dried before I've got it on straight, unfortunately. Oh, it's moving a little bit. Oh, that's okay. That doesn't look too bad actually. That's looking okay so far, isn't it? Not too bad. Is there anything else to go on the bottle? I think that's it, isn't it? Right. Now, I think I need to stick that onto the card. I mean, that should be easy enough even for me, shouldn't it? Oh, yeah. I didn't really allow for the cork. So the cork needs to go, whoops, the cork needs to go there. Yes, I think the bottle's in about the right place there, isn't it? Yeah, because the glasses, ooh, the glasses, are they going to be able to stand next to? Yeah, because they go in front, don't they? Right. I'm going to have to figure out how to do these glasses because these bits have to go inside like that. Never mind, I'll figure out how to do that when I've got the bottle on. See, it would be nice if that could have been up on foam or something, but it doesn't matter. This is just a practice. And my practice cards, they all get spoken for. My family and friends, bless them. They don't like things to go to waste, so there's always somebody will have it. Too late, it's stuck now. So I'm going to leave that on there like that. Right, if I can't do this right, I'm just going to cut them out from a pale colour card. Right, I managed to get this peeled away a little bit. You can see the adhesive on it. Oops, I'm just going to leave that on there for now and see if I can put this in without making a complete mess of it. Right, I think I've done it okay. So that's going to go on like that. Well, one can only try. Never mind, I'll put the other one on and see how it looks. Yeah, the bottle isn't on in the middle, but never mind. Oh dear. Perhaps using vellum for the glasses wasn't such a good idea. Could just use a nice colour card next time. And I think these are supposed to go in there, like a different colour card and in there, so you can get a darker piece there where the fluid is in shadow. Never mind, never mind. We live and learn. Right, the cork. Now what have I done with the cork? There we go. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. I'm not happy with the glasses. I'll have to figure out another way to do those better for next time. But I've never been any good at anything fiddly. But that doesn't look too bad. It's just, like I say, it's just the glasses. Put them a little bit askew. And we have these little bits, which are the fizzes. I think what I'll do is I'll wait and cut those out of glitter paper. That might be better, I think, for the fizz. So what I'm going to do is cut down a card base and get that glued on. Right, I've cut down a 5x7 card, and of course this is nowhere near the size I wanted, but it's too late to do anything about it now, so I'm just going to have to suck it up and glue it on. It's so typical. Well, that shall have to do. I'll leave that on there for a bit, and I shall go and look for a sentiment. Right, I found this stamp set, special occasion stamp set from Creative Craft Products. There's some really nice ones here. I think I'll just use that celebration. This needs re-inking if you can. What am I doing? If you can get re-inker for it, I'm not sure, but it does need re-inking, I think, because it has been well used. If you have good quality ink and a good quality stamp, you can't really go wrong. That's the theory anyway. My hybrid inks, my solvent inks, I always clean with alcohol. Put it straight away because I'm always losing stamps. Right, I found a set of nesting dies, and I thought I would get the smallest one that would fit. That should be okay, because I don't want to take up too much room on the front, because it's quite fussy already, and I still have those fizzy things to cut out. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that yet. Card makers like Jennifer Maguire, Kathy Zelski, and they can just knock out things like this with no issues at all. They're just so clever. I don't think I will ever be that clever. But keep in mind they've been doing it for a long time and I haven't, so I suppose I suppose that's some consolation. Okay, now I'm wondering if I want to put, where should I put it? Should I put it there? Should I put it over the hideous glasses? No. Do you think that would look okay? I mean, do I really need a sentiment at all? Because it already has that there, doesn't it? The cheers. So I'm not even sure if I do need a sentiment after all that. I could just leave it like that, couldn't I? I suppose I could stamp something inside. So I'm not sure what you think. I'm going to see if I have some nice glitter paper to cut out these little bits. We shall see. Right, I found this beautiful yellow glitter paper. I think it's from Stampin' Up. I do get a lot of stuff from Stampin' Up because I love the products. I just find them a bit pricey. So I either wait until I have a sale on, or I will get them from, I'll buy retired products from demonstrators. And that way you can get some pretty good deals. Okay, let me see what I can do now. Might help if I had the actual dies out. Where on earth are they? So these cut out in 3s. Just use my little craft buddy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that looks nice. Yeah, it was worth taking that extra step on there. To just sort of going round in a semicircle there. I don't know if I'll be able to get it that perfect. Probably not. But I'll give it a go. Well, that does look kind of cute, I suppose. But it is supposed to come from the glass. Never mind. I think the first time you do something, there's always a learning curve. And then you learn by your mistakes and you do better next time, don't you? Right, so there is the finished card. It's not perfect, and it's certainly, there are a few mistakes on it. I'm still not sure about that vellum, and I wished I cut some other pieces out to go for the darker pieces of fluid on there, but all in all, it's not bad for a first attempt, I think. And like I say, I do know someone who will really like this. I just need to try and get rid of all these bits of glue and other things that are on there. So thank you for sticking with me through this. Can't have been easy. I know I'm not easy to watch sometimes because of the mistakes and things that I make, but this wasn't too bad. I really do like the die set, and I can see me using it for other things as well. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified of any new videos that I upload. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye now.